15 phrases for worries and relief. I'm scared that I won't pass the test. I can't stop thinking about it. I've been worried sick about the test. I'm scared stiff that I won't pass the test. I'm really nervous. I've got butterflies in my stomach. I'm absolutely dreading the test. Phew. Thank God for that. What a relief. I'm so relieved to hear that. You had me worried there for a moment. You have no idea what a relief it is. That's a huge load off my mind. That's one less thing to worry about.
Check out these other great videos from Ajarn Mieder and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.